Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the 10th video of Chat app. So in the previous video we have successfully created this UI. So in this video we will add menu to our navigation view and also we will add navigation header. So let's get started. So first of all we will close all the files and go to resource file. Now right click on this resource, new, and select Android resource, and here we will type the name of the menu. So I select here drawer menu and select here menu and click OK. Now here we will add the menu items. So I will add group and give the ID. Give any ID. Let's say I give it first. Okay, now we will add few items. Now we have 6 items in our menu. So for this we need to create the vector assets. So create one by one. So first one is home. So right click on tribal new and select the vector asset. Click on this icon and type here home. I type here IC home. Next and finish. Next one is vector asset, and again we will select here person, and here I select, let me check, profile. Vector asset, and this one I select person, or like this one I see friend. I see friend. Next and finish. Again vector asset, and this one is find friend. So I select here person, select here find friend. Again right click new and select vector asset, and this time I select message. This is for chat, and the last one is over security, I mean logout. Okay, our vector assets are ready. Okay, now here I will select the items one by one. So first item, give the ID. This one is home. Give the title home and select the icon I see home. Now copy this item and paste it below. Five times. Okay, now next one is over profile. So I'll select here profile, profile, I see profile, friend, and type here friend. Okay, now is find friend, find friend, and again I see find friend. So now is chat, and here select chat, and I see chat, and the last one is logout. Okay, now our menu is ready, so now go to our layout, and here is main activity, and here is our navigation view. So select here menu and select the drawer menu that we have created here. Okay, now we will create the header. So right click on layout, new, and select layout resource file. Now here select drawer header. Click OK. Now go to text, press Alt Control L, and here we need to select the height 192. That is recommended height of the drawer layout. So select here background. So I'll simply select the color primary. Okay. Now we need circle image view. So we have already added over dependency of circle view. So here we will add circle image view. So 120 dp and again height 120 dp and give the id will be profile image header. Now select the source that I will use here, profile if exist. Yeah, it's available in, so close it. So go to design and add the constraint. So first I will add the constraint from top, then left, and give the margin from top 16 dp and left 24 dp. Okay, now select a text view here, add the constraint right to the right of the image view, left to the left of the image view, and now add the constraint from the top at the bottom of the header image view. Okay, now select the id, username, header. Now select the text, username. Now select the text size. We will increase a little bit size to 18 dp, and text style will be bold. Now text color will be white. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now go to activity main.xml, and here we have two options. We can add header layout by using XML code, and also we can add header to Java code. So I have already added the menu by using XML code, but the header we will add using Java code. So go to our Java and open main activity, and first we will import everything here that we have created. So first one is toolbar. So create a toolbar here. Make sure you have select second one and simply call it toolbar. Okay, now select the drawer layout. I simply call it drawer layout. Navigation view, simply call it navigation view. Okay, now initialize it. Toolbar equal to find view by id r.id dot app bar. Set support action bar and simply pass here toolbar. And now here get support action bar dot set title, and here we can give the name of the application. So let's say I type here chat app. So get support action bar dot set display home up enable. This means we will enable the button on the app bar. So here we will add over vector asset. So right click on drawable new and select the vector asset again. Now here this time I select menu. Make sure you have select this one, or you can choose any other one for your beauty. Okay, now select here menu, click next and finish. So here we will select first true and get support action bar dot set home up indicator r dot driver dot menu. Make sure you have select same icon that you have created. Okay, now we will we will initialize our drawer layout equal to find view by id r dot id dot drawer layout. Now navigation view equal to find view by id r dot id dot navigation view. Okay, now we will create here a view because we have to access the data of headers. So view equal to navigation view dot inflate header view r dot layout dot drawer header. Okay, now by using this object we can access our header. Okay, so now I will change the intent because our intent process is completed. So now I will open directly our main activity. So no need to waste every time 5 seconds. Okay, now run the application. Okay, our application running. So let's try from left to right. You can see here our header and menus are added to our navigation view. So in the next video we will set a click listener on this home button. When we click on this button, our navigation view will open, and also we will fix few things. So please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Take care, bye.